Welcome dear students, class 7th, subject General Science, subject teacher Joshi SK, lesson number 6, measurement of physical quantities, part 1. Dear students, observe carefully this picture and think. In our day-to-day life, we measure many things such as fruits, vegetables, food grains, clothes, thread, temperature of our body, and so many different solid, liquid, and gaseous substances. Look at the pictures and tell how these substances are measured. First one, brinjal. Second, thread. Third, spinach. Fourth, milk. Fifth, gold. And the last one, cloth. Vegetables and fruits are measured in kilograms or grams, but many times leafy vegetables are measured in bunches and sometimes in grams or kilograms. Milk and other liquids are mainly measured in liters. The purity of gold is measured in carats. 24 karat gold is 100% pure gold, and also gold is measured in grams. Thread and clothes are measured in meters. Our body temperature can be measured in degree Fahrenheit or degree Celsius. All the things surrounding us are measured using different apparatus and different units. Now let's learn about physical quantities. Quantities such as mass, weight, distance, speed, temperature, volume are called physical quantities. We use these quantities in our day-to-day life. A value and unit are used to express the magnitude of physical quantities. For example, 25 centimeter. In this, 25 is the value and centimeter is the unit. 2 kilometer. In this example, 2 is the value and kilometer is the unit of that physical quantity. Another example is 4 liters of water. In this example, 4 is the value and liter is the unit of that physical quantity. Can make such table using different physical quantities. Now let's learn types of physical quantities. First one is the scalar quantity and second is the vector quantity. Let's compare both these quantities. Quantity which can be expressed only with the help of magnitude is called scalar quantity, means value and units are required to express scalar quantities, but in case of vector quantities can be expressed completely only when magnitude and direction both are given. That is, direction is important in vector quantity. Breadth, mass, area, temperature, etc. are some examples of scalar quantities, while displacement, velocity, weight are some examples of vector quantity. Now let us learn difference between mass and the weight. Mass and weight are actually two different quantities, but many times we get confused in them. Listen carefully and understand difference between mass and weight. The amount of matter present in a substance is called mass, while in other hand, weight is the gravitational force that acts on this mass to pull it towards Earth's surface. As mass can be expressed only with the help of magnitude, mass is scalar quantity, while direction is very important to express weight, so weight is the vector quantity. Mass of any object remains same at different places on Earth, while weight of object changes from place to place and planets to planets in our solar system. Unit of mass is gram or kilogram, while the unit of weight is Newton. Activity: visit different science centers in your area and compare your weights on different planets. Now let's learn about standardized measurement. Before standardization, if we measure anything using hand span, the measurements will not be correct. It will differ from person to person. To avoid this incorrectness, we have to standardize measurement. Now, let's learn about standardized measurements. For accurate and standard measurements, every physical quantity is measured in standard and specific unit. For example, length is always measured in unit of meter or centimeter or kilometer in standard measurements. Now let's learn prevailing systems of measurement. There are two systems. First one is MKS system and second one is CGS system. You will know from the name, M means meter, K means kilometer and S means second. It means in this system, distance is measured in meter, mass is measured in kilometer and time is measured in seconds. Next one is the CGS system. As name indicates, in this system, distance is measured in centimeters, mass is measured in grams and time is measured in seconds. In these measuring systems, distance, mass and time are considered as basic quantities and are used to measure all the other quantities. Thank you for watching this video.